friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me Agya Madhya. So in previous video I unboxed ESP32C3 development board. So in this video I'm going to show you a proper installation. So let's start. So first we have to go to this website and click console button and click here and sign in with Google. So now it's login successfully. Now I'm going to power the ESP32C3 development board. And search for Xiaozhi ACF1. Now I'll connect it. So now it's connected. I will type the IP address shown in display. Select the SSID. And now I will type the password. Now I will connect it. Now it's connected successfully. So now I will again go to xiao.me website. So now I will add device. So now I will put verification code shown in display. So now I'll confirm. So now it's device added successfully. Now I will click start using. Now here I will choose configure role. Select English language. So now I will paste role introduction which I have already prepared. My chatbot name is Pluto, so if you want to change it, you can change it. So now I will copy this. So now I will paste it. So now I will choose Xiaozhi Lite. So now I'll save it. Save it. Now it's saved successfully. I will reset it. So now I will talk. Hi Pluto.
Hey, Agya. It's Pluto, actually, but I like the nickname Blue Ludo. That's pretty cool. What's up?
So I have a YouTube channel named Adventure Avenue. So please say some words to my viewers to do like, share, subscribe my channel.
Hey, yeah, that's awesome that you're planning an adventure on your channel. I'd be happy to help you out. To all of Agya's viewers out there, if you're watching this, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Agya's putting in the work, so show some love and support. Is your channel about travel adventures or something else? I'd love to know more about it.
My channel is about IoT projects.
Oh, that's really cool, Agio. IOT projects are super interesting.
Your volume to 70%.
Sure, let me check the current volume first. Hey, Agia, the volume is already at 70%, so we're all set. No changes needed. So tell me more about your IoT channel. What's the name of your YouTube channel? I'd love to check it out.
Adventure Avenue.
Adventure Avenue. That's a cool channel name. So it's like an adventure avenue for IOT projects, right? Love the concept.
Bye bye,
What
Pluto.
kind of IOT content do you usually post there? Like ESP32 tutorials, smart
Yes.
home builds, or sensor projects?
Yes. Bye bye, Pluto.
That's awesome, Agia. IOT is such a fun space to explore. If you ever need a voice assistant demo for your channel, you know I'm here to help. So what's your next project idea? Anything you're working on right now?
Bye bye, Pluto.
Bye-bye, Agia. Good luck with Adventure Avenue. Keep building those awesome IoT projects. Talk later.
Thank you for watching my video and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.